For this video, we are going to make a fudgeebarr choco butternut. So let's start with the butternut coating. So magmelt lang tayo ng 1 tablespoon of butter. You can also use margarine over a very low fire para hindi masunog yung ating butter. And let's add half a cup of all-purpose flour. You can also use the third or first glass of flour. Mix lang natin. Then let's add our 2 tablespoons of white sugar. I-mix lang natin until well combined. Again, i-mix lang ng mix para hindi masunog yung bottom part ng ating mixture. And then this time, we can add now our food colors. So I used red and yellow food colors here. McCormick yung brand para ma-achieve yung orange vibrant color ng butternut, which is the trademark color. So as we can see here, mix lang until na ganito na yung color. Pero as we can see, may makikita pa tayong buo-buo na granules sa ating mixture. So what we're going to do is to transfer it in a container. And then kamayin natin. So dapat mahugas na kamay na mabuti or gumamit kayo ng disposable gloves para maging fine yung texture ng ating powder. At ibalik natin para may heating process tayong in-apply after natin kinamay yung ating mixture. And it's ready now. Ilagay lang natin dito. Ready na yan para sa pag-coat natin mamaya. Now we are going to prepare our cake base. Gamit tayo ng 1 pack of fudgeebarr. So sa isang pack, may 10 bars, 10 fudgeebarrs. You can also use the other flavor, but this time, since chocobutternut yung gagawin natin, so I use the chocolate flavor as the base. But you can try the vanilla or other flavors of fudgeebarrs. So i-mash lang natin gamit yung ladle, or if gusto nyo kamayin, pwede rin. Dapat lang mahugas ng mabuti. At dapat ganito yung texture na natin. Then I add 2 tablespoons of warm evaporated milk. Then i-mix lang natin para maging sticky yung consistency ng ating cake base. So after that, magagawa muna tayo ng chocolate ganache or chocolate sauce. So 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Then nag-add ako ng 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Then 1.5 tablespoon of chocolate powder. I-mix lang natin na mabuti at mag-add tayo ng 2 tablespoons of sugar. At i-mix lang natin until na maging ganito yung consistency ng ating chocolate sauce or chocolate ganache. And that's ready. So, kuha lang tayo ng 1 tablespoon, scoop lang natin at i-form natin ng circle. At ilagay natin sa ating coating. And i-coat lang natin ng mabuti yung ating cake base. Pwede nyo nang kamayin. Again, mahugas ng kamay na mabuti. And there you have it. This is our finished product, our fudgeebarr choco butternut. Let's taste it. Wow, ang sarap. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more new videos. See you. Bye-bye.